Yeah, we're all thinking the same thing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. Nice package. All right, welcome back, or welcome if you haven't been here before. My name's Dave. This is braaap, 165 horse Avidflyer. Just finished putting this 165 horse two-stroke Rotax on there. So the only thing left to do is get a pipe built. So I got to take it to the pipe guru because it's a two-stroke pipe. It's a tuned pipe. So leave it to the professionals, but I got to take it to him so that he can build it to fit. And in order to do that, I got to load it on the trailer and take it 400 kilometers to his shop. So today, let's fold the wings up and wrap it and get it ready for transport. So the Avidflyer is designed to be towed on its mains. The Avidflyer built a hitch that bolts onto the airframe and you just tow it like its own trailer. But I would never do that, obviously, because of the big expensive tires. I'd probably have to recover them twice on the way there. So I got to decide if I want to load this thing on forwards or backwards. The trailer is set up for it to be loaded on forwards. So I might have to pull the trailer in here and re-engineer that. But in the meantime, let's fold the wings up and I'll show you guys how to fold up an Avidflyer. So as you can see, this piece of pipe, and then there's another one back here. They're through holes, and that's where the hitch bolts on. Maybe I'll do a video one day. I'll show that hitch that I made and how it bolts on there. Okay, so step one is to take my handy dandy militarized screwdriver here and undo these quarter screws. And then the same thing on the other side. Okay, and then I gotta undo the radio antenna cable. So I just used these little cable ties and only riveted the one side. So then, this in theory should just pop out. Like so. I built this cover. It's made out of this same stuff and then with some carpet glued on. And then all this carpet, I should mention, because the last thing you want in any airplane, but especially a small airplane, when the fuel's sitting on your lap, is a fire. So I sprayed all of this stuff with some fire retardant spray that I got on Amazon. But this just folds in half and comes out. And then as you can see, it's got the lid in it for the cargo. And it folds in half so that it can come around the push tubes here. Okay, so this is the little cargo box that I made. And it's just some sheet metal bent into a triangle that folds over. It's pretty light. And then I put a piece of that foam down there. So it's just this area, because this area, these push tubes, you'll see they swing in to here. And in the corner here, you can see these straps are for the tent, goes in that corner. And then these ones hanging here are obviously for that cargo bag that sits on the passenger seat. Okay, next step is to make sure that the gust lock is off. In my case anyway, because I just use the seat belt. But I just want the ailerons to be free. I want those push tubes to be free. And then pull the pins. And then I just take my militarized screwdriver here, multi-purpose tool. I have these pieces of foam cut. You'll see when the wings fold back, they're gonna come close to the vertical stabilizer. So I just put these on either side of the vertical stabilizer. So these get squished between the flaperon and the vertical stabilizer. Okay, and then I just get up here, pull this bolt out. It's an AN bolt in there. And then this comes back, and that flaperon should slowly start rotating up as it comes back. And then I like to put this back in right here where it goes. Straight away. So I don't lose it.
Yeah. Blowing smoke with no paper. Put a bullet in the chamber. Take a shot with me, stranger. What's the game with no players? It's just me, myself, and I. Rolling up, but we rolling up, get high. It's just me, myself, and I. To the day I wanna thank myself.
Okay, so then we have these bars, and they go from here to here and hold the wing stable from being able to swing in and out.
Check my ETA. I'm about to steal the whole game like it's GTA. I take full responsibility like a single parent. This that type of talent that you don't get to inherit. This that type of cash flow you don't need to declare it. I just sped through your lane, I'm about to lose it the mirror. I'm like zoom, yeah. Smoke got me astronaut, my head is on the moon. That's not even my final form, I'm in my cocoon. That's a skill, going loony, cutting tunes. At my noon, I got another one coming out.
Okay, and then we got these bars, support bar, that goes from this wing strut mount slash landing gear mount, because also, in case you didn't know, the Avidflyer can also be configured as a nose wheel or tricycle gear. I don't know why anybody would want to do that, but Just kidding. So this just goes through here and then into the wing and supports the wing. So I'll put a gust lock in here. I'll wrap these the tail feathers in saran wrap to hold them in this position. And probably put a bungee cord around the sticks up to the airframe there. But let's see if we can isolate this thing. I forgot that these poke in, so this might not zip up all the way. Maybe. That's not so bad. That's probably going to poke a hole in there though. So I think we'll have to come up with something different for that. Rather not wreck this. Mind you, I could maybe if we put a couple of pieces of foam on there first. Well, looks a little better. Pretty tight on the zipper here though, but we'll see how that holds up. I think I'll do that very last minute. Before I go. Okay, I got some saran wrap. We'll wrap the front end all the way around the panel. One thing I should do before I get too far is make sure that this master switch is off, or the battery master. It is indeed. All right. So I started saran wrapping, but I ran out of saran wrap, so I had to order some more. So now I gotta try and deal with this gigantic roll of saran wrap. I was thinking pallet wrap, but maybe it's the same thing. But let's see. All right, guys, as you can see, we've got this bad boy wrapped up real nice. It's got 2,000 feet of saran wrap on it, 18-inch wide saran wrap, and like 6 rolls of tape, packing tape and tuck tape, 100-mile-an-hour tape. I won't be going 100-mile-an-hour though, so it should be good. Because I'm in Canada, we operate in kilometers. Everything's wrapped. It's ready to load on the trailer, and then I will wrap the gear legs once it's on the trailer and strapped down. But first, I want to rebuild the airplane trailer a little bit. So if you're interested in that, that will be next week. And we'll rebuild the trailer and load the airplane on there. And hopefully hit the road, go get a pipe. Thanks for stopping by. See you in the next one.